Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 9 using primitives. This chapter is extension of a previous chapter, means it's a part of logo. Okay, in previous chapter I have explained you some basic primitives or commands used in logo, like forward command, backward command, RT command, LT command. Okay, in this chapter we will know about some more commands or primitives used in logo. Okay, so starting with the HT command. What is the use of HT command? See beta, in previous chapter we have learned how to start logo and how to create a simple picture using primitives, okay, that make the turtle move all over the screen. We have learned about forward command, backward command. Now in this chapter we will learn about some other primitives. Okay, so first is the HT command, which is used to hide the turtle. Okay, as I have shown you all that whenever we draw anything, so commands are followed by the turtle, and that turtle, it remains visible on the screen even if the drawing is completed. So if you want to see the picture clearly, so you can hide the turtle using HT command. Okay, using HT command you can hide the turtle. Okay, and if you want to make it visible again, so use ST command, show turtle. Okay, now I will show you practically. Okay, so I'm opening logo. I have shortcut on my desktop, so I'm just clicking on this directly. Okay, this is the logo screen. Okay, and it's a turtle. Okay, so first I'm making the picture which is given in your book. Okay, a P shape picture is given there. Okay, so I'm following the same instruction. First is the FD command. FD steps 100, so turtle will move 100 steps in forward direction. Then turning the head of turtle right side, RT 90 degree. Okay, enter. The head of the turtle, you can see here the direction of its head has been changed. Okay, now moving it forward 50 steps. Okay, now next step, to go down in the page, so again move the position of turtle's head, move it right side 90 degree again. Now again FD 50. Now because we are going to create a P shape, है ना, so what we have to do next, again we have to turn the turtle's head by 90 and FD 50. ठीक है, because number of steps will remain same. जितना स्टेप यहाँ चले हैं उतना स्टेप्स हम यहाँ चलेंगे, है ना, एंड जितना स्टेप्स आपको यहाँ पर आपने जितना स्टेप्स मूव किया है उतना ही स्टेप आपका यहाँ पर रहेगा. तो स्टेप 50 लिया है तो वी विल मूव 50 in each step. ठीक है, तो you all can see the shape is completed, but the turtle is visible here and the picture is not very much clear. So you can use the HT command to hide the turtle. HT. In this HT command, no need to specify number of steps. ठीक है, because हमें turtle को कहीं भी move नहीं करना है, उसे disappear करना है, invisible करना है. So use HT only and press enter. Okay, you can see turtle is not visible on the screen right now. So you can see turtle is invisible now. Okay, now again if you want to show turtle, so you can use the ST command, show turtle, ST, and press enter. Okay, it's visible again. Okay, now next command is clear screen command, which I have already explained you in previous chapter. Okay, it was not given, but I explained you about the use of CS command is to clear the screen. Okay, like right now you all can see कि one shape is drawn in this on the screen, and if you want to clear it, ठीक है, So for that we use the CS command. CS. Here also no need to specify number of steps because आपको screen clear करना है, turtle को कहीं भी move नहीं करना है. Okay. So CS and enter. Screen is clear and it brings the turtle to its home position. जो turtle का home position होता है, starting में जिस तरह से turtle की position होती है center में, तो CS command it brings the turtle to its home position. उसकी जो default position होती है उसमें लेकर आता है. Okay? In the center of the screen. Okay? Now, another command which works like CS command is CT command. Clear text. CT command is used to clear the text written in this recall list box. As you all can see, I am increasing the size of this list box. You can see there are so many commands written here, right? So if you want to clear this text, so use CT command and press enter. This list is empty now. Text has been cleaned. Okay? Okay. Now, one more thing, you can use more than one command at a time. Means आप एक time पे एक से ज़्यादा commands को भी use कर सकते हो. Like CS and CT command, you can use together. For this, first I will show you. I'm just drawing, moving the turtle 200 steps. Okay? So what I'm going to show you, that if you will use CS and space CT command, then what will happen? It will erase the picture on the screen and it will erase the text in this recall list box. दोनों चीज साथ में हो जाएंगी. See, I'm pressing enter key. Okay? So in this way you can write CS and CT commands together just by giving one space. Okay? I hope till here it's clear to you. Okay? Because now I'm moving ahead to a very important command which is pen command. Okay? See, whenever you make drawing in your drawing book, so while sketching you need to lift the pencil from one point to another. Suppose you want to draw two parallel lines. अगर आपको बगल में दो लाइंस खींचना है बराबर में, तो you have to lift the pen, because जब तक आप पेन उठाएंगे नहीं, then wherever you will move the pen, तो वहाँ पर क्या होगा, लाइन ड्रॉ होते जाएगी, है ना. तो क्या करना पड़ता है, हमको पेन अप करना पड़ता है, पेन या पेंसिल आप जिस भी चीज़ से लिख रहे हैं, राइट. सो here in logo also sometimes we need to lift up the pen. आपको पेन को क्या करना पड़ता है, अप करना पड़ता है. You want to move the turtle but you don't want to draw the line, है ना. हमेशा हमें लाइन ड्रॉ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, आपको टर्टल को कहीं और दूसरी पोजीशन पे भेजना होता है. ओके, सपोज आपने एक पार्ट कंप्लीट कर लिया, अभी आपको यू वांट टू मेक अ सेकंड पार्ट, तो यू हैव टू चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ टर्टल, you have to change its position on the screen, so you have to move the turtle. But as we move the turtle, so it draws a line. Like right now I'm just using FD100 commands. I'm going to write here FD100. So you can see, if I will I'm using RT90, and if I will use the FD command FD100, so again is turtle is moving and it is drawing the line also. But suppose if I don't want to draw the line, I want to move the turtle only, ठीक है. तो for this I have to use this pen up command. In short it is called PU, like CFD100 I used. Okay, now I want to draw a parallel line right hand side, तो I'm moving the turtle RT90, ठीक है, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन इन पैरेलल. तो यहाँ पर मुझे बीच में कोई भी लाइन नहीं चाहिए, तो आई एम यूजिंग द PU कमांड, PU, पेन अप. ओके, नथिंग विल बी विजिबल ऑन द स्क्रीन, स्क्रीन पर आपको कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा, बट पेन अप हो गया है. नाउ आई एम मूविंग इट इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन FD100. नाउ यू कैन सी आई यूज्ड फॉरवर्ड कमांड, टर्टल हैज बीन मूव्ड बट डिडंट ड्रॉ एनीथिंग, उसने ड्रॉ कुछ भी नहीं किया है. ओके, now I'm using the RT90